Operation. It looks like it's open.
So this is the Seaboard Railroad drawbridge.
Yep.
It's a swing bridge and it's swung open. You can see the silver part over there to the left of the opening.
Yep.
So we can just go
It's
through.
very tight.
Just go through it.
Slow as you can go.
Maintain course and speed. If you slow down, the boat will get weird because
We're already going at out of speed.
we're catching a lot of wind and a little currents coming off that canal to our left.
Yes, I see that.
Now, if you need more steerage and more control, you can inch up your throttles about 100 or 200 RPM and you'll rock it through there. But you can see where the water's got textures on this side and smooth.
But what's going on right behind it?
What do we do?
That's the lock.
That's the lock. It's that close.
Yep,
All right.
that's the Moorhaven lock.
And
You
wanna
can see the
steer-
floodgates on the right
I
side.
don't know if we want to change right in the middle of this. The red light here is on.
That's a red light.
Okay, call the lock and tell them eastbound. We're ready whenever they're ready.
Was channel 9. No. that was
Nope.
13.
Locks are on 13.
Moorhaven lock eastbound. We go in here or there?